Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Dhanashite, pursuing pharmaceutical management and healthcare management from Pune Lotus Business School. Today I am talking about to you types of pricing and meaning of pricing. What is the pricing? Pricing is the process of fixing the value that a manufacturing will receive in the exchange of service and good. Pricing method is exercised to adjust the cost of product of pricing situation to both the manufacturing and the customer. The pricing depends on the company average price and the buyer's perceived value of items as compared to perceived value of composition product. Means what? Every business person start business with a motive and intention of earning profit. This ambition can be acquired by pricing method. A firm while fixing the cost of product and service of the following point should be considered the identity of the good and services, the cost similar goods and service in the market, the target accuracy of the whom the goods and service of product, the total cost of production, raw material, labor cost, machinery cost, inventory cost, etc. External elements like government rules and regulation, policy, economy. Objectives of pricing: first, survival; second, expansion of current profit; third, ruling the market; fourth, market for innovative ideas. What is pricing method? Pricing method is technique that company apply to evaluate the cost of their product. This process is the most changing challenge encountered by company, as price should match the current market structure and also complementary to expenses of company and gain profit. Also, it has taken complementary product pricing into consideration, so choosing the correct price method is essential. Types of pricing method. The pricing method is individually into two parts. First, cost-oriented price method, and second, market-oriented price method. The cost-oriented price method. It is the based on the evaluation the pricing of finished good, and most of the company apply this method to calculate the cost of product. This method is divided into two following types. Cost plus pricing. In this pricing, the manufacturing calculation of the cost of production sustained and individual a fixed percentage to obtain the sale price. The marks up of profit is evaluated on the total cost. Second, markup pricing. Here the fixed number of a percentage total of cost product is added to the product end price to get selling object or product. Third, the target rating pricing. The company of a firm fix the cost of product to achieve the rate return on investment. Second part, market oriented price method. Under the category that determined on the basis market research. First, perceived value pricing. In this method, the procedure established the cost taking into consideration the customer approach toward the goods and services. Value pricing. Here the company products are produced that the high in quality but low in price. Third, going rate pricing. In this method, the company receiving complementary rates are a foundation in decide the rate of their product. Usually the cost of product will be more or less the same or the complementary. Actuation price, which most usually of internet. This complementary price method is blooming day by day. Many online platforms like Ola, Quicker, eBay, Amazon, etc. use online sites to buy and sell products of consumers. Differential pricing. This method is applied with price has been different from different group of consumer. Here the price might different according to the region, area and products items. Okay, thank you.